This is taken from a small portion of the Las Vegas alien video from 2023 that shows a tall alien standing next to a front loader in the backyard of the Kenmore family. The segment is in a loop in order to show the movement of the creature. This is the creature's head, and you can see its mouth open and close here. Also, if you take notice, you can see the creature's arm, its right arm rising up. That's right here. I zoomed in on the head area, and then I used an AI animation program to see if the computer would recognize the alien face as well and recreate an animated version of it. And this is the result. As you can see, the result is a mixed bag. I mean, it recognizes that there's a face there, but it doesn't give much love to the creature's right eye. But it does show, you can see where the eye is in the animated version. Much better, I thought, was the AI version that I was able to produce of the little gray creature, which we call UB, or the Undeniable Backbreaker, last August. Here's a segment from that presentation from last August.